In this series, we're focusing on creating a culture of compassion, and in this segment, we're discussing how to demonstrate compassion. So here are 3 simple ways each of us can positively impact someone's day. One, be considerate of others, listening fully without judgment, and giving the person your undivided attention. This means no texting, phone calls, or appearing to be bored when someone's talking to you. 2, communicate in a kind and friendly manner, demonstrating a genuine interest to help others through sincere communication. And 3, practice simple acts of kindness, going out of your way to be helpful to others. Keep in mind, sharing wow stories during our team huddles provides great examples of things that we do every day for customers and each other without ever expecting anything in return. So the question is, who on your team would you say is very compassionate when it comes to helping others? And what are some of their qualities that we can all emulate? While compassionate action is a second nature for some, anyone can use these skills to make a customer, a coworker, or friend feel a little happier and a little more valued each day.